Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the voice in ChatGPT. If you're using ChatGPT on your phone or desktop, you'll love this simple trick. First, open the ChatGPT app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Now, tap on your profile picture or the three dots in the top corner and select Settings. Scroll down and look for the voice option. If you don't see it yet, don't worry, it's still rolling out to some users. Just make sure your app is updated. Once voice mode is enabled, you can tap Voice and select from different voice options. You might see voices like Breeze, Ember, Juniper, and Cove. Pick the one you like best. After you choose a voice, go back to the main chat screen. Tap the little microphone icon at the bottom, hold it down, and start talking. ChatGPT will reply back to you in the voice you selected. And that's it. That's how you can change the voice in ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.